Hello, welcome back to the video. In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of vitamin C for the skin and also how to select the best type of vitamin C for the skin health. So vitamin C is necessary for producing collagen, which is a really strong connecting point when it's important for skin health and skin elasticity as well. So without the collagen, we would go to pieces because what happens is this protein retains together the skeletal bones and it helps to fasten muscles to the bones, and it does not give any opportunity for the internal organs and for the skin to leave its places. So the question here is, can vitamin C free us from some forms of the inflammation, skin inflammation such as psoriasis and sunburn? Let's find out. As has been found out in recent studies, the problem isn't in the vitamin in itself, but in its solubility. So the vitamin C solubility is whether it is dissolved in the water or in the fat. It determines into which part of the cell it can penetrate, and as a result, which part of the cell can be protected. For example, we've got a natural form of vitamin C, the L-ascorbic acid. It is dissolved in the water. Therefore, although L-ascorbic acid is concentrated inside the cell, it cannot protect its shell from the free radicals, unfortunately. It can also possess strong acidic properties and sufficiently irritates the skin, and then it rapidly decomposes and loses its force after 24 hours. The other form of vitamin C is the derivative from L-ascorbic acid with the fatty acid and isolated from the palm tree oil. It's also been known as palm acid. So it's been believed that the ideal medicine for the skin will come out if we add a small quantity of palm oil to the molecule of vitamin C, and in this particular case it won't irritate the skin, and it is also possible that it would bring that kind of vitamin C even to the open cut of the skin. So importantly, that the other form of vitamin C is capable to be dissolved in the fat, therefore it easily absorbs by the skin. Thus, the other form of vitamin C is capable in order to penetrate the thin membrane surrounding cells. It's important to know that the membrane of cellular plasma itself consists predominantly of fat. As a result, the other form of vitamin C will strongly protect against free radicals, precisely that part of the cell where they can cause the greatest harm. So the stability is another advantage of the other form of vitamin C. This is why it is possible to add this form into the creams and into the lotions, and it will also preserve the ability to act for months and even for years completely without spoiling and losing its antioxidant effect. So really important information for anyone considering doing a formulation of vitamin C for the skin. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, share and subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you're interested in the comment section below this video. I would love to hear from you. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.